Welcome to the first step to solve the first layer. And do you know what it is? It is creating the white cross. और creating the white cross जो है, it is basically all about solving the white edge pieces और उनको correct position पे लाना. All right. और इसमें जो है edges and center pieces का सबसे ज़्यादा और बहुत ज़्यादा use होगा. So I hope you've understood about center pieces and edge pieces. अगर अभी भी उनके बारे में doubt है, so ask them before it's too late. Alright, ask them in the comment section and I'll surely answer them. So well, without any further ado, let us begin creating the white cross. Yippee! So to create the white cross, हम जो है अपना white centerpiece top side पे रखेंगे and we will keep the yellow at the bottom. Alright. Now we are going to be finding white edge pieces in the top layer or the middle layer or the bottom layer. कहीं पे भी white edge pieces हो सकते हैं. So well, a lot of edge pieces are there. Let me find. Yes. So I have found this white edge piece and I am choosing this one only. तो अब ये जो है, this is already at the bottom layer. अगर आपका edge piece bottom layer पे नहीं होता, it's in the middle layer or in the top layer, हम पहले उस edge piece को bottom layer पे लाएंगे. Alright, so my edge piece is already in the bottom layer right now. अब जो है, we are going to check that where is the white color in the edge piece facing. अब दो जगहों पे white color in the edge piece face कर सकता है. Whether it can face towards the front side means over here. Or it can face towards the bottom side means over here. इन दोनों जगहों में एक जगह पे white color हो सकता है. In my case right now, the white color in the white edge piece is facing towards the bottom. जो कि एक बहुत common case है और आप भी face कर सकते हो. So if you are facing the same case, then follow the steps I tell you to. So first, we are going to check the other color in this edge piece apart from white. तो मेरा दूसरा कलर, the other color in this edge piece is red. तो मैं इस edge piece को red centerpiece के साथ मैच कर दूंगी. So whatever your front color is, whatever your other color is in the edge piece, you are going to match the edge piece with that same color centerpiece. So I'll match it with red centerpiece. Green, yes. तो अब ये match हो गया. Red centerpiece and this edge piece is matched together. Now I am going to bring this edge piece to the top, and to bring it to the top मैं F2 भी कर सकती हूँ, मतलब डबल F मूव, या फिर मैं F प्राइम 2 भी कर सकती हूँ. उसका मतलब होता है डबल F प्राइम मूव. So I'll do double F and this edge piece will be solved and will be in the correct position. ठीक है? Now let us find some other edge pieces. So I have found this edge piece now and I am choosing this one. इसमें we are going to do the same thing first. हम check करेंगे कि white color इस edge piece में कहाँ face कर रहा है. So in this case, it is pretty different than the previous one. इस case में white color जो है, it is facing towards the front rather than facing towards the bottom. तो ये भी एक case आपके पास आ सकता है when the white color in the white edge piece is facing towards the front. तो अगर आप ये केस फेस कर रहे हो, then follow the steps. तो we are going to check the other color in the edge piece apart from white, जो कि है green. तो हम इस edge piece को उस same color center piece के साथ match कर देंगे. So this edge piece will be matched to the green center piece. क्योंकि green ये वाला color है, so we are going to match it with the green center piece. So it's matched. So when it's matched, हम जो है अब we are going to take this edge piece to the top to solve it. To do that, हम पहले इस edge piece को we'll bring it towards the right side by doing a D करो. Now हमें center piece को अपने front में लाएंगे. We are going to bring the white center piece at our front by moving the middle layer towards the front. तो ये front में आ गया. Now we are going to bring this edge piece that we chose basically from the right side to the front back again. तो अब ये front पे आ गया, D prime करने से this came to front. And now again we are going to bring this centerpiece back to the top again with this edge piece by moving the middle layer. तो अब ये centerpiece ऊपर आ गया and with it this edge piece also got solved. Yes. Now let us solve the other two edge pieces as well. तो ये रहा मेरा दूसरा edge piece. So first I'm not going to be choosing this right now. I'm going to be choosing this क्योंकि blue मेरा favorite color है in the cube. So now it is in the middle layer right now. तो मैं इसको ले आऊंगी to the bottom layer. Now it is at the bottom. अब जो है I'm going to check that where is the white color in this edge piece facing. It is facing towards the bottom. So I'm going to check the other color in this edge piece apart from white and that is blue. तो मैं इस edge piece को blue centerpiece के साथ match कर दूंगी and it is already matched. Now to bring this edge piece towards the top, I am going to be doing F2 or a F prime 2. तो मैं F2 कर this edge piece is even solved. Now the last edge piece कहाँ है तू last edge piece? ये रहा last edge piece. So my last edge piece is in the middle layer. लेकिन अब मैं इसको अगर bottom पे लाऊंगी, so this will move and this will move. This will move or this will move. तो पहले तो मैं इसको bottom पे ले आती हूँ by doing an F right now. ये bottom पे आ गया. Now जो है I will do a D prime and I will bring this towards the left. D prime कर ये left पे आ गया. अब जो है I am gonna do an F और ये edge piece वापस ऊपर आ जाएगा. So now it is solved. कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो आप ऐसे ही कर सकते हो अगर कोई problem आ रही होती है. Now this edge piece is at the bottom. White color in this edge piece is at the front. Other color of this edge piece is orange. So this edge piece will match towards to the orange centerpiece. Match हो गया. To bring this at the top, I'll do a D. I'll shift this edge piece towards the right side. I'll bring the white centerpiece towards the front. अब जो है I'll bring this edge piece back to the front again by doing a D prime. और मैं इस centerpiece को वापस ऊपर ले आऊंगी. And the white cross will be solved. But wait, our goal is not only to solve the white cross. अगर white cross ही बस solve होता है, then it is wrong basically. Our goal is even to match the edge piece with its same color centerpiece. जैसे blue match हो रहा है ना, like that, red should also be matched. Green should also be matched. Orange should also be matched. अगर ये ऐसे match नहीं होते हैं, if the edge piece is not matched with the same color centerpiece, मतलब आपका white cross, it is wrong. You should try it again. Alright? So these two colors should even be matched. So now if you have any other cases that are appearing on your cube and you're not able to understand them as well, तो फिर आप उन cases को जो है वो comment section में भेज सकते हो. I would prefer कि आप उस case की photo भेज दो. It would be better for me to understand as well. And then I'll tell you what to do in that situation. Alright? So now let us move on to our very next step to solve the first layer. So till then, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.